Have you noticed a small crack in the glass in your window and wondered if you could just change the glass instead of investing in an entire window replacement? Well, in this video, we're going to answer that question when we compare a full window replacement with a glass-only replacement. Hey there, I'm Steve McNary and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Not every window problem warrants a total replacement. We want you to understand the difference between a window replacement and glass replacement and when you might need either one. To help, we're going to talk about 3 situations where you should replace your windows and 3 situations where it's okay to just change the glass. Let's start with getting your whole windows replaced. When should I get my whole window replaced? Number 1, feeling drafts. The first telltale sign you need a window replacement is if you feel a draft when you're near your window. This is caused by seal failure, deterioration in the caulk, or improper installation and allows air to move between the inside and outside of your home. Number 2, fogginess or haziness between glass panes is the second sign you should replace your windows. This can also be caused by seal failure, allowing excess moisture to build up between the panes with no easy way to escape, causing visual impairment. Number 3, visual deterioration. The third most common sign you should get your windows replaced is visual deterioration. This can include rotting or cracking around the frame or peeling caulk. When do I just need the glass replaced in my window? Number 1, cracked or broken glass. The most common symptom you need a glass replacement is cracked or broken glass. A hairline crack may not seem significant, but it can grow and lead to breaking the entire pane. If a crack or broken glass is the only issue you experience with your window, then you can just get a glass replacement. However, if you have older windows, you will want to inspect them for any other signs that you may need a full replacement. Number 2, fogginess between panes. Minor fogginess between panes may warrant only a glass replacement. However, foggy windows are typically caused by seal failure or improper installation. If only minor seal failure around the glass allows moisture between the panes, then a glass replacement and proper seal can fix that. If the window were installed improperly, like out of square, causing fogginess between the panes, then a full window replacement would be your best option for a long-term solution. Number 3, if you're looking to give your windows a newer look. Whether you're looking to sell your home soon or just want to make the front of your house look shiny and new, a glass replacement may be the option for you. If you do not experience any other symptoms with your windows, like drafts, rot, or deterioration, then a glass replacement would be the less expensive option to give your home an upgrade. There you have it. 3 situations when you should replace your windows, and 3 when it could be okay to just change out the glass as long as there isn't any other circumstances that could be causing your glass to fail. If you want to learn more about the window replacement process, make sure to check out the link in the description below to an article that does a deeper dive into this topic. We want to thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.